Here is a quick demonstration of how to use the pre-formatted link available in the Moodle in the report writing assignment section. So you can click here and select your account. So this particular document is open. Presently it is view only, as you can see here. However, you can click on the menu button, click on share and export, and make a copy. So here you can give your full name, and your admission number and the hotel name, so that it is easy for you to find it out from your drive. And you can click OK to save. Now a copy of this is saved in your drive. You will be editing your assignment in this document, chapter 1 onwards, and you will be converting this document into PDF to submit into the Moodle. Now let's get familiar with the editing options in the Google Docs. So in the bottom right corner you have the edit button. You can click on the edit button and it is ready to be edited. Now you can type the content. For example, profile of hotel and tourism industry is the first chapter. So here you can click on this button to open the formatting options. So presently this is set to heading 2, but this has to be normal text. Right. So you will be typing the content as normal text throughout the document, and after typing everything you will use this button to change the formatting as required. And another feature is, presently you are looking at the non-printing layout or the mobile editing layout. You can go to the menu and switch on the print layout so that you can see how the document looks if it is printed. Now let us add some text into this so that we can see how it has to be formatted. So the text has been typed into the document. So the chapter 1 heading is here. Then the subheading, sub-subheading. There are 3 sub-subheadings. Then the next subheading, and there are 3 sub-subheadings. So that is how the content is organized. So for the heading style 1, I have typed everything in capital. For other headings, I have typed it as title case. So when you say title case, each word should come in capitals. So except the connecting words such as in or of, the, if it comes in between, so such small words there is no need for capitalization. Otherwise rest of the words has to start in capital. That is called as title case. So heading 2, heading 3 are in title case. Heading 1 is in capital. Now the rest of the formatting has to be added. For that I will be using the format option. So I can select the profile of hotel and tourism industry and I can give heading style 1. Then I can choose the second one, the new trends in the hotel industry. So we can remove this from the print layout so that editing on the mobile is easy. So the new trends in hotel industry, it can be selected. Heading style 2. Sustainable design is heading style 3. Augmented reality is heading style 3. Internet of Things, heading style 3. New trends in tourism industry, heading style 2. Bleisure travel, heading style 3. Transformative travel, heading style 3. Sleep tourism, heading style 3. So we have finished formatting. Now if you look at the print layout, now you can see that all the heading styles has been added properly. The paragraph is justified alignment, everything is good. Now the next thing which is missing is the page numbers. You can add the page number by clicking on the insert button, this plus button over here. Click on page number and bottom right corner, that's the correct format. So page numbers are added. Now what is else has to be added? That is the citation and bibliography. So when we have written a paragraph about sustainable design, we have to give the reference to the source that we have referred. So the citation will come here with the author name and the year of publication. And if you have referred a book, journal, magazine, then page number will be there. If it is an online source, then the author name or the company name and the year of publication will only be there. And at the end of the document, there should be the list of reference or bibliography. The bibliography and citation is made with the help of CiteFirst. I hope you have seen the video of CiteFirst, and you can create your citation in a folder such as IET Report. So here there is an example reference. So there are 7 sources listed in this reference. Now let us assume that the first paragraph was taken from this particular book by Sudhir Andrews. So Andrews S. 2007, Textbook of Food and Beverage Management. Tata McGraw-Hill Education is the publisher. So if you click on the in-text option, you can see that the citation is available. So you can copy this citation like this, and you can add the citation at the end of the particular paragraph that you have referred. So you can paste here. So since it is a book, there is a page number. The page number has to be manually typed. For example, let us assume that we have referred page number 23. The next citation may be from Refine. So Refine doesn't have an author because it is online and no author name is defined. So we can copy that and it can be pasted here. Right, so this is another citation from an online source. There is no author, so the organization name is added. The next possibility is an online source which has an author. For example, this is a Times of India article about hospitality trends, but then there is an author named as Thakur. So we can copy this and it can be updated here. You can paste it here. So now we have successfully added citation to the first 3 paragraphs. So make sure that you are giving the proper citation to all the paragraph that you are writing. Now we have added the citation to all the paragraph successfully. So now it is proper. Now the last bit is to add the bibliography. For adding the bibliography, you can insert a page break. So you can press on this insert button and page break. So a page break has come. So here we can type bibliography. Now the bibliography has to be formatted, the head, the style. Now this is not really a heading style, so you can put it as normal text. So it should be Times New Roman 12, normal text, center lined, and it can be bold. Yes, so that is bibliography. Then you can click on the left aligned. So here is where we are going to paste the bibliography. So to copy the bibliography, there is an option here, copy and paste. This is in the site first. You can click on select all and you can long press to copy. Now the entire references are copied. So you can go back to the bibliography page and click on edit. So here you can paste the bibliography. So bibliography has to be in alphabetical order. Like for example, now Andrew is A, E, R, R, S, T, X. So the advantage of using cite first for citation is it will automatically organize the bibliography in alphabetical order. And now if you go to the print layout, you can see that your assignment has been neatly formatted with proper bibliography and corresponding citation. So once this is done, you have to download this assignment as PDF onto your mobile device. For that, you can click here, share and export, save as PDF, and press OK. And the document has been created into a PDF. So you can click on this button to download and save this in your device. So you can click and it is ready. So this particular document, the PDF document, has to be submitted in the Moodle for evaluation. So that's the tutorial. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.